Alright you guys, I made it inside Homegoods. So I thought this was a planter, but it's not. It's a solid weenie dog. There's like really heavy, no idea how much that would be, but it's just very, very different. We have the angel that is $49.99, and look, there's a small peacock, so like a tin one. This is $100. Okay, and this one, their head is tilted. It's not as heavy like the other ones I've been finding. The small one in here is $29.99, and I'm not too sure how much the big one is. And then $15. This one's kind of cute with the sun. That's $20. $15. This is kind of cute and different. Haven't seen like the blue ones. It's like very, very simple. A lot of greenery here. Looks like the pottery is going to be a little different. So $17, $29.99, and then $10 for this little guy right here. If you want something hanging, this one is going to be by Shabby Chic. Going to be $50. So pretty. I know these white ones are going to be $15 next to me. We have the lemon. $49.99. Oh gosh, is that decor? It took me a while. I had a double take on this one. Look, it's a shoe. I know some people who like some different items in their home decor area. So I already have a hole drilled into it. It is $12.99. It is pretty heavy. There's a solid Converse, and put some little daisies in there. I feel like daisies would go really well. I've been finding daisies in my front yard. I should do that. I should pull them out and put them in here. $12.99. $49.99 on this flower one. Bows, $29.99 for this one in the back. Oh, this is interesting. The pottery is different. $40. I like that, how it looks like. It's like a fresh pot with fake flowers. It's just like different pottery. We got the frog, you know. Okay, these are beaded. I think you get the whole thing. Oh, you do. These are $25. Pull them up. Have you guys seen the beaded ones? I have like a fox family. Here's another frog with the lantern. Really, really cute. One taking a bubble bath. And some of these on top are going to be $25. The spear, these are kind of cool too. Looks like barnacles to me. $25. $25. A little different textured one. This green one, this is really pretty down here. This one is $29.99. Here's like a birdhouse. It's kind of different. This one is $20. Is that open? Nope. Just go right there. And this with the alligator, I have not seen that. That is going to be $40, and I do feel like if you really want to paint this tropically, you can, and it will work. It will work.
Yeah, we get that smooth.
We have the cheese, more pottery, the turtle. See, here's a different take on the swan. One will be like one for flowers. Oh, look at that one. That one's kind of cute, actually. And this is really cute right here. $10. That's $10. $12.99. The teapot bird feeder. That's really pretty. And you know, these jellyfish, they're only $20. I did find the phone booth, and that is gonna be $60.
Should've painted it blue.
60, and then okay, the angel frogs, another bird home, like a triangle one. This is actually really pretty up here. Look at this. It's like the top of a bird bath. Ooh, and they have the large ones. These are $80. Actually, this is cheaper here than the at-home store. $39.99 for like the child and their dog. Then here's another bird thing. We walk down here. Oh, there's a duck. I don't know if I've seen the duck, but we've seen the rabbit, mushroom, and frog. $20 for the duck. $25. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like the shape of that. Okay, this is, again, more doggy stuff. Okay, we had the flamingos. Okay, this is cute. $25. Oh, it's like a two-tiered one with the crown on it. There's also one without one, and that one is priced differently. I've seen it in a different location, which is kind of odd. These strawberry, these are all, you know, melamine plasticware, $12.99. And that cute bow, like chip bowl or whatever you want to do with it. Let me scoot back here. And then a lemon. Oh, look at this one. It's really pretty. It's a back. This is $25. You have the lemon container. We just saw that in a different video. The cocktail, Italian cocktail glasses. These are $10. They're really nice too. More lemon decor. And this one's $10 by Strawberry Street. Let me pull this one out, like the basket. These are $29.99. And let me get to this large one. Isn't that really pretty? $7. Look, and they have it in pink too. It's a lovely bowl in the back. This is $15. Like a small one. They have a larger. I like this one right here. It's like kind of like the checkered look on top. And this one is $20. More Miffy. These are $12.99. And the lid comes off. Salt and pepper shakers. For tea, you get a bag, 25 bags of honey lemon green tea in here too. The little owl. That's cute. And $5.99, and they give you tea too. This is a pretty cup too. I like that. That's really pretty. Got Ariel, the floral. $12.99. And that's another teapot. I did share that in a previous video.
It had some interesting teapots.
Butter dishes. I know. Oh, here's like the 15.
You know, I didn't care for this movie.
And look, these are really cute too. I've been loving all these like veggies and fruit trays. $10 on the serving bowls. This would be cute for like salsa. And then like guacamole. Yeah, and you get 2 in here. Okay, we have some new dishes. They kind of look like that pottery, but it's not. These are $5.99. I got the green. And all like your white dishes are all here. It's a pineapple. I'm pretty sure this is the ice holder. It says $50. 50. Oh, those have little picks on them. Those are cute too. $12.99. 17. The basket 2-tier. A knife set 35. This is a 15 piece. And $89.99. More 15 piece. You can find this brand in Costco. I think it's cheaper here. And look at this knife block set. This is $280. I've never seen it. It must be a really, really good brand. Ooh, these are nice too. Sometimes they have them shaped like a whale or a turtle. These are only $25. 25, put that back. And they have this one, okay. That is 20. Okay, this is 20 here. They're selling this in Costco too, but the Costco one has dividers on the inside, like a Lunchables. So I think Costco is about like 20, 24. But if you don't care for the dividers on the inside of the tray, that's only 20 here. Just so many options. $7, $5 right here. Okay, look at this one. The serving tray. Let's see if I can pick this one up. $39. And then more fun stuff. We have the pickle one, the big brie one, the lemon. This one I haven't seen. Like a little food storage. This one's 10. 7. These are hard to find. Oh my gosh, here's a corn butter dish. They have the lobster one and the hot dog. And there's all the burgers. I know we've seen this one, like the bagels. $10 for the mason jars. Okay, this one has a blue lid. It does lock. These are nice too. This is only $3.99. And we have this is $5.99. $5.99. A lot of these glass milk juice bottles, $3.99. Then you have the lid on top. These containers, that's a glass one. Okay, just making sure. Have the blue ones. Kind of looks like melted ice cube, right? $12.99. These are really nice. These are made in Spain. The only problem if you are in the market and trying to buy one from here or any store like Marshall's and TJ Maxx, just be careful because sometimes you'll find little cracks and you won't even know till you bring it home because it like kind of blends in with the like bumpiness design. Made in Spain. So pump out like this one. $5 right here. These are all going to be glass storage. $5 cute bag clips. I got one with the bows. It looks like pickles. I'm not too sure. It could be I don't know. 5. We have the croissant.
Those look like the woodland creatures from South Park.
And these, oh yeah,
remember the ones that like to eat everybody?
These are cute too. These are 5. They're all 5 here. Oh, check this one out. That's a good bread bowl. $20. You have the tray, salad bowls. Some are $12.99. The utensils, these are going to be 10. There's quite a few options today. I don't know if that's like a wine holder. I'm not too sure what that is. This little lip one. This is peach mango with candle, but the container is kind of funny, right? $12.99. Oh no, the hot dog's broken. Okay, I'm trying to see if they have like fun ones. Limoncello, tangerine. And again, the large ones, which are my favorite, especially like the large citronella ones. Here's this one right here, citronella candle. I kind of like that. It's only $10. It smells really good too. This one's another one, 20. I feel like most of them might be 20. Let's see how much these are here. 25. Make sure I put it back on the shelf. 25. This is 15. I haven't seen these in a long time here. And they have the bow candle holder. This one's gonna be 20. It's actually kind of nice. Colors of the season. Oh, this one's different. It's like they're on a glacier. It's $20. And they have the large one. Okay. I think this is gonna do it right now for Homegoods, you guys. Please stay safe out there. And I will see all of you in the next one. These two. Oh, look at this one. Oh, let me pan out. I know we've seen this before. Some go up to like $200. They do have The beads here, these are 20. Those are not glass. More links. These aren't wooden. They feel more like clay.